Question 2.2. This table summarises the distribution of medals for the cycling events at the 2024 Paris Olympics. So we can see a number of specific countries and then others for the remaining countries, looking at how many gold medals were won, silver and bronze, with some totals, and then the total medals that each country won here, and overall the total number of medals. A random medal winner is selected. Calculate the probability that it was a US cyclist. So we're looking at medal winners, all of them. So it's out of 66. And for the US, what's the total number of their cyclists who got medals? 6. So we're going to be 6 out of 66. 6 divided by 66, and we get 0.0909. 0.0909. Part 2. What's the probability that it was a silver medalist? So we're looking at all the medalists. So once again, it's out of 66. And how many silver medals were there? Well, 22. In fact, there were 22 of gold and silver and of bronze. So it's 22, which is a third, 0.333. Next one. What's the probability that it's not a French bronze medal winner? Well, the French bronze medal winners, there were 3 of them. If anybody else is allowed, that means out of the 66, 63 are what we would want. 63 divided by 66, and we get 0.955. 0.955. B. A student was dissatisfied with the results being displayed this way. They decided to award points for medals in order to reward the countries differently. They decided that will be 3 points each time there was a gold, 2 for silver, and 1 for bronze. Part 1. Complete the column for total points. How many points would all of these have achieved? So, if France has got 3 golds, that's 3 lots of 3, which is 9. Silver, they had 3 silvers, and from this criterion, we've got 2 points per silver, which is 6. Bronze, 1 each, which is 3. So that's going to come to a total of 18. Netherlands is done. What about Australia? It's going to be 9, 2 each time here, 4 and 3. So we're going to have 16. The US is done. Great Britain, 3 for each gold, 6, 2 for each silver, 10, 1. We have 20. Portugal has got 1 gold, 1 silver, 3 add 2, 5. Argentina has got 1 gold, 3. Poland has got 1 silver, 2. And then we have 1 bronze, so 1 point for Denmark. For the others, we're going to have 3 6 times over, 2 5 times over, and 9. Add those numbers up and we get 37. That's that total points column. 2. Which country comes top? If we're looking at these numbers, which country comes top? Then Great Britain would come top with their 20 points. That's the highest total there. Part C. Using the same point scheme, a fellow student decided to rank the countries on average points per medal. Now, work out the final column, average points per medal. So that is the total points divided by how many medals. At the top, for France, 18 points shared between 9 medals. 18 divided by 2 is divided by 9 is just 2. Next, Netherlands, 16 points, 7 medals. 16 divided by 7, then we would have 2.29. Australia, 16 points, 8 medals, 2. The US, 14 shared between 6 medals, 14 shared between 6 medals, and we get 2.33. Great Britain, 20 shared by 11 is 1.82. 5 for Portugal, 5 points shared between 2 is 2.5. Then we have 3 points shared between just the one medal, which is 3. Poland, 2 shared by 1, which is 2. Denmark, which is 1 shared by 1, which is 1. And we have for the other countries 37 points shared by 20, and we get 1.85. So when we look here, which country comes top in this system? Argentina. With 3 points per medal.